Good morning. It is day 8. Oh my gosh, it's day 8. Honestly, I'm starting to think that I have my days mixed up, but this is day 8 of Vlogmas. So today's Friday. Tomorrow's Saturday, so that'll be day 9. Sunday's day 10. And then Tuesday is Christmas Eve, so I messed up on my vlog. Pretty much I'm just going to break down my hair before it starts looking all matted. And then I really can't do anything with it. So I am headed to my sister's house because I left my laundry over there. I know she was texting me this morning like, I don't want you doing laundry for no money. I'm like, oh my gosh, this girl is crazy. So we are watching my vlogs from the beginning. Hey sister. Oh, look at this girl. And I'm just finishing up my laundry so I can go home. Okay, so I am headed to go get my package. So right now I want to show y'all how I clean my makeup brushes and get ready for a face. So I use warm water. This is just regular palm olive detergent. I put some detergent on my little scrub pad. And I take my brush. And then I do circular motions. And I clean my brush off. And then I just start working the product out of it. And then I just lay it. I spread the brush bristles. So I spread the bristles. And then I just lay it on a paper towel. And then I let it dry. Alright, so we are headed to get some food. But it's like a secret right now. I'm not going to tell him where we're going. You know where we're going now? Where are we going? Sushi. There's sushi over there? Oh. I'm about to say at this point. I don't know where we are. Just keep driving. Chick-fil-A? Yeah! Alright, so we're watching the Celtics game. Celtics are losing. We're in the fourth quarter. You have an all-right range. That's what I'm going to be next year. YG. I like YG with this thing. Okay, so this concludes day 8 of Vlogmas. So we have 2 more days from Christmas. This whole thing out.